Hi, folks.
Hello, everybody.
This is your old pal Chuck E. Cheese, and me and the gang want to welcome you to our History of Rock and Roll Part 2.
Oh, what are we going to do different this time, Chucky?
It's sure gonna be hard to beat the first 10 years of rock and roll.
All records are round, and that reminds me of pizza. So let's eat.
Don't you worry your furry little head, Munch. There's always lots of pizza, but first you gotta sing for your supper. Let's get it started, Chucky.
Well, all right. We're gonna do little pieces.
Pizzas?
No, Munch. Pieces of the most popular songs from 1965 to 1975.
Oh, sounds like fun, Chucky. How can we help?
Help! I need somebody help, not just anybody. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me?
Sugar pie, honey bunch. You know that I love you. I can't help myself. I love you and nobody else.
Hang on, Snoopy, Snoopy, hang on.
When I woke up this morning, you were on my mind, and you were on my mind.
Those great tunes were from 1965. In 1966, there was a song named after a cartoon movie by the Beatles.
And a pizza.
A big hit for the Monkees.
And a pizza.
Neil Diamond's first rock and roll hit.
And a pizza.
Munch, you need to show Chucky a little respect.
I will, if you'll show me a little pizza.
Sing it, Helen.
R-E-S-P-C-T, found out what it means to me. Oh, a little respect.
We all live in a yellow submarine. Yellow submarine. Yellow submarine.
Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Without a trace of doubt in my mind. Baby loves me, yes, yes she does. All the girls out of sight, yeah.
She got the way to move me.
Carry.
She got the way to groove me.
Oh, Jenny, 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 won't you come along with me? Jenny, 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 won't you come along with me? Jenny, 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 'cause here at Chuck E. Cheese, the pizza's gonna set you free.
Hey everybody, I've got a great idea.
More pizza?
Well, of course, that's a great idea, but why don't we take turns introducing each medley by including the song titles in a sentence?
Yeah,
It's
that's
real interesting.
Show us what you mean, Pasquale.
All right. Did you know in 1967 my friend Wendy said she was feeling groovy because she received a letter from a soul man?
Wow.
Come to ya on a dusty road. Good pizza, I got a truck alone. I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man. And that ain't all, sweetie.
Slow down, you move too fast. You got to make the morning last. Looking for fun and feeling groovy. Give me a ticket for an aeroplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. Lonely days are gone, I'm a going home. My baby just wrote me a letter.
And Wendy has stormy eyes that flash at the sound of lies. And Wendy has wings to fly above the clouds. Everyone knows it's Wendy.
Okay, it's my turn for 1968.
Is it time for pizza yet?
Hold on, Munch. Jasper's trying to think.
The pinball wizard had to dance to the music so he could see the jumping Jack Flash.
The Who, Sly and the Family Stone, and the Rolling Stones. Let's do it.
Let's eat.
That deaf, dumb, and blind kid sure plays
pinball wizard, there has to be a twist. The pinball wizard's got such a supple wrist. Dance to the music. Dance to the music. Dance to the music. Well, it's alright now. In fact, it's a gas. Well, it's alright. Jumping jack flash, it's a gas, gas, gas.
Look, all right now, it's my turn. Now, listen carefully.
I hear pizza cooking.
Munch? Go ahead, Helen.
In 1969, everyday people didn't realize that it was sugar. Sugar that made the spinning wheel turn, and that's what made my cousin Mary proud.
Mary Brown.
What goes up must come down.